Hello, I'm back in Build a Boat, and I have made this special satellite, and it can go fast. Something's wrong. Uh-oh. FPS unlocker, what's that? Yeah, it can go very fast, and it's mobile safe. So, uh-oh. Wait, I can go out. Oh, yippee! Okay, I have arrived. Losing like 10% of my satellite, but it still works. I mean, you can build the satellite, but I can teach you the mechanics. And I can teach you how to make a hovercraft. I mean a hover car. Damn. So I can show you by doing this. The mechanics are on the top. So you need a legacy wheel. You put it on the front here and put the magnet facing to it, and place another one right behind. Place it here. And if you look at this correctly, and don't worry, I'll teach you it, but I will showcase it to you. So here you can drive. You can't use a normal car seat. You need to use a pilot seat. You need to use a pilot seat. So yeah. And I'm teaching you how to build it. So first what you want to do is grab a plastic block. You can put it any color, put it gray, because I don't like pink. And then make sure the scale tool is on 1. Make it 5 studs wide and 10 studs long. Put a titanium bar. Yes, you need titanium bar. Put 1 here. Put 2 more at the back. Put a servo. Put a servo facing up like that. And then we grab another and then we grab a wheel. Okay? Make sure you grab a wheel, put it like this, like it's hanging. So, and then grab your titanium rod, make it go up, 6 blocks tall, and then we put a titanium rod. No, wait. Oh no, I did. Once you have put 6 on the top, you put 2 more in the front, and you put 1 facing up, and put another one and put a wheel What you're gonna do is you're gonna put a wheel, a front wheel. Yep, just like that. And what you're gonna do is do the same thing on the other side. And I'm not gonna do it, so I'm gonna cut. Once you have done it, put a wheel. Make sure you put a wheel. No, a switch, I said wrong. Put a switch. Put it perfectly. Put two. And this one, you grab your screwdriver. That's not. Grab your wrench and detach it. And now it's just connecting to the wheels. And grab these two, put it in here, and grab a pilot seat. Once you grab a pilot seat, just put it right here. Do not connect it to any wheels. Okay, now it's the mechanics. So we'll put a titanium rod, 3 rods up, and grab your legacy. You're gonna place it out like that. Put another one right, cool. Put another one like that, and grab 2, and place it like this. Another one, just put it like this. And don't attach anything to the wheels. We just want the magnet. Okay, and now you're done. So then now we will put it like this. Transparency 0, collision off. What you're gonna do, and grab this reverse rotation, and these two put at the servo torque. Okay, I don't know. Put it at green, and voila, you're done. And let me show you. What just happened? Okay, that's a glitch, so I'm gonna come. So I'm too lazy to build it again, so I load it. And let me unanchor it. And you can put how fast the wheels you want. But if you're built, and if you start your car and it goes backwards, select the bottom and put reverse rotation. Once you put reverse rotation, and then now you can drive your car normally. So I hope you like this tutorial. I mean, you can't get drift. And you can click this button, and voila. Voila. Now you can fly. Okay, you have to on and off it several times. If it doesn't work the first time, you have to do it. And it goes insanely fast. No, not yet. It doesn't go that fast yet. Okay, now it's catching up some speed. Yeah, do not hit that. I suggest you not to hit it. Whoa, what's going on? Uh-oh, my wheel is gone. Well, looks like I'm gonna die. Well, yours isn't supposed to be like that, but because of the bee. Okay, let me jump off. Let's go. I made it, and it's pretty fast. You can use it as a farming, not AFK farm. And that's all. So